This is a blue whale, the largest animal ever to exist on Earth, larger than any dinosaur. A blue whale's heart weighs 400 pounds. That's heavier than a grand piano. A blue whale can reach 100 feet long. That's 3 school buses end to end. One whale's tail fluke can be 30 feet across, a human barely visible beside it. Now let's look inside. What we find is one of nature's most extraordinary biological engineering achievements, the whale's heart. Weighing 400 pounds, it's 1,000 times heavier than a human heart. A whale's heart beats only 10 times per minute. A human's beats 70 times, yet both pump enormous volumes of blood. A whale's aorta is so large that a human could crawl through it. Blood flow is immense. A whale carries 36,000 quarts of blood. A human carries just 5. That's 7,200 times more. Whale muscles are packed with myoglobin, an oxygen-storing protein. This allows them to dive for over an hour. When diving, the whale's heart rate drops dramatically. Blood redirects to the brain and heart. Oxygen is precious. A whale's lungs hold 5,000 gallons of air. That's 25 times more than a human can inhale. The blowhole is controlled by powerful muscles. One exhalation can reach 40 miles per hour. A whale's single breath can last an entire dive, 90 minutes underwater using oxygen from one exhalation. The heart and lungs are just the beginning. Now let's look at the skeleton that supports it all. The whale heart has 4 chambers, just like ours, but each chamber is the size of a small room. Deoxygenated blood returns to the heart from every part of the whale's massive body through enormous veins. The right side pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs. There, it picks up oxygen for the entire body. Oxygenated blood returns from the lungs to the left atrium, ready to be distributed throughout the body. The left ventricle is the most powerful chamber. It contracts with tremendous force to pump blood everywhere. Blood surges from the left ventricle into the aorta at enormous pressure, reaching 200 pounds per square inch. The aorta branches into multiple arteries, delivering oxygenated blood to every part of the whale's massive body. In the capillaries, oxygen transfers from blood to tissue. Deoxygenated blood returns, ready to be refreshed in the lungs.
The heart must pump blood to itself.
Coronary arteries feed the cardiac muscle tissue that
does the pumping. As the whale descends, its heart rate slows dramatically.
2 to 3
blood flow
beats
is
per
rerouted,
minute.
prioritizing
Blood
the brain
diverts
and
to
heart
brain
while
and
restricting
heart only.
circulation elsewhere.
Whales maintain warm body temperature through counter-current heat exchange in their flippers and flukes, minimizing heat loss. Thick blubber, up to 18 inches, insulates the whale from the freezing deep ocean temperatures. A whale's heart is 1,000 times larger than a human's heart, yet both follow the same basic principles. Whale blood pressure is significantly higher than humans, needed to push blood through the massive circulatory system. Upon surfacing, the whale's heart rapidly returns to normal rate. The dive reflex reverses instantly. During feeding, whales process enormous volumes of water and krill, demanding massive circulatory energy output. When swimming powerfully, whale muscles demand enormous oxygen supply. Circulation increases dramatically to meet demand. A whale's heartbeat is so deep and low that other whales can hear it at distance. A whale's heart beats billions of times over its 70-year lifespan. Each beat sustains an entire ecosystem. A whale's heart beats billions of times over its 70-year lifespan. Each beat sustains an entire ecosystem. Whale lungs are not just bigger, they're optimized for extraordinary oxygen extraction and storage. A whale's single breath at the surface lasts only 10 to 15 seconds, but fills 5,000 gallons of lung capacity. Air flows through bronchi and bronchioles, reaching millions of alveoli where gas exchange occurs with incredible efficiency. In the alveoli, oxygen crosses into blood while carbon dioxide waste passes out to be expelled. Whale muscles are saturated with myoglobin, storing oxygen for use during long, deep dives. A whale can dive for 90 minutes, slowly depleting oxygen stored in muscles and myoglobin throughout the dive. Sperm whales dive 7,000 feet deep to hunt. Oxygen becomes critically low at maximum depths. At dive's end, whale muscles switch to anaerobic metabolism, burning lactate for final energy push. Upon surfacing, the whale explosively exhales and immediately inhales. The entire process takes just seconds. At the surface, the whale's heart rapidly accelerates back to normal rate and breathing normalizes. Different whale species dive to different depths. Sperm whales dive deepest, gray whales much shallower. Right whales breathe frequently and shallowly, up to 30 times per minute before diving. Whale breathing enables both life support and communication, singing and echolocation across vast ocean distances. The blowhole is an evolutionary marvel. Two ancestral nostrils merged into one controlled opening. Lungs provide oxygen. Now let's explore the muscles and skeleton that move the whale through water. A whale skeleton is built for underwater life. The spine is extraordinarily flexible despite supporting 200 tons. The whale's spine is incredibly flexible. Intervertebral discs allow powerful undulating swimming strokes. The fluke, tail fin, generates thrust. A single powerful stroke can propel 200 tons of whale forward. Pectoral fins contain the same bones as human arms. They provide steering and maneuverability in water. Whale muscle is arranged in segmental blocks, myomeres, along the spine, optimized for powerful, efficient swimming. Whale muscles are primarily slow-twitch fibers, optimized for endurance swimming, not speed. A blue whale can reach speeds of 20 miles per hour despite weighing 200 tons. That's extraordinary power output. Baleen plates are composed of keratin, like human fingernails. They filter thousands of tons of krill annually. A feeding lunge engulfs 500 tons of water and krill in seconds. Throat muscles are extraordinary. Sperm whales have 18-foot-long teeth, one in their lower jaw. Bite force is immense. Deep diving whale skulls show thickened bone around the eyes and ears to resist extreme pressure. Deep diving whales have collapsible rib cages. As pressure increases, the rib cage collapses, preventing pressure damage. Gray whales migrate 12,000 miles annually. That's equivalent to circling Earth at the equator. Whale muscles store abundant glycogen, providing energy for the longest migrations on Earth. The muscles and skeleton are extraordinary, but the brain that commands them is extraordinary too. A blue whale's brain weighs 19 pounds, the largest brain on Earth, proportionally smaller than ours. Whale brains have massive cerebellums, coordinating movement. Large frontal lobes suggest complex cognition and communication. Sperm whales and dolphins use echolocation. The melon organ produces and focuses powerful sound clicks. Whale songs contain infrasound, frequencies so low humans can't hear them, carrying across ocean basins. Whale ears lack external canals. Sound travels through a specialized fat channel from the jaw to inner ear.